Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You ready for
Yeah,
this?
let's go.
I did 4 days to this joint last
Yeah?
week. Yeah. 4 straight days, 6 hours piling this shit. Oh,
Holy
baby.
fuck.
Let's get it. We got that one too?
Yeah. Sketchy. Go, go. Holy fuck. Can't go there. And yeah, and go over. Step over. It's a good spot. Okay. Oh the fuck. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Meter. Oh fuck. Mama. Oh the fuck, I see that. We made it.
Day 2.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't get it.
Maybe I should just turn it on.
Hey, hey, where you going? Holy fuck! Yeah, listen, listen. Oh yeah. Holy fuck! Holy crap! This is not gonna work.
What about this way?
Really?
Yeah. Try and put it.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk. Yeah, I'm 100. I know we're just fucking sandal.
No,
We're good.
no, no. Holy fuck. This is a fucking.
My fucking leg.
Yeah?
Alright.
Come on, I need help.
Hey, it's turtle stuff.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
Yeah. You take him out?
Yeah. I don't know if he's gonna like snap at me.
I don't know. Fuck, he's stuck for.
Oh, he's really stuck in there.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a turtle really stuck in here.
Yeah.
It's fucking like ours.
He's drowning.
Are you gonna fall?
Should we let him go over there so he doesn't get stuck again?
Okay.
Okay, go. Nice. Well, I guess if I didn't fucking fail there. Yeah, you saved his life. Yeah.
It was meant to be.
Yeah.
You gotta tip her out.
Yeah, I couldn't do it in the fucking water. It was
No,
so
I
hard.
understand. That's a lot harder to do in the current.
It was fucked. As soon as I sat
you
in
have your
it.
canoe photo?
Mine is there. Right?
Oh, okay.
I parked it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I parked it.
That's fine. Thank you.
All the water gonna get out of this.
Tip it up towards the shore.
Oh,
You popped that some. You parked that somewhere, man.
Is it broken, isn't it?
No.
Where's the fucking... Oh, just water, yeah.
Right there.
Oh, fuck my ass. Yeah. Get yours and come.
You go back up?
Yeah. Yeah. Why? That was fucking scary.
Like I'm just losing canoe.
Yeah. Do you guys say you can walk here? Yeah, go ahead then. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good. Okay.
You can't get off. Don't worry, she can't get off the deck.
Okay.
If she only wants to say hi, she just doesn't know how to say Hey, calm down. Sit down, you're being rude.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, those rapids can be tricky sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
Hey.
Oh, you want to get wet?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go and get mine.
You're swimming in these tunnels?
Yeah, my kayak is right here.
Oh.
72 hours later.
This is nice. You wanna go back down? What? Ready to go back down? Yeah? Yeah. It's coming. Woo! Yeah. Yes. Okay, here goes nothing. Yeah. Yeah, he's good. Yeah. Yeah. We made it. Yeah. Yeah, it was fun.